Nobody thinks delinquents are cool these days, right? That's why I'm gonna make a new age of delinquents. What is up, Fit Fam? Action Figure Fit here, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the all-kicking workout like the invincible Mikey, aka Manjiro Sano from Tokyo Revengers. So you guys really know Mikey, as over half of you knew his real name in one of my most recent character polls. Also, stick around to the end of the video so you can find out who won the shout out to my funniest caption contest on my community page. Now with all that out of the way, let's hop into the video. Toman belongs to me. As long as I've got its back, none of us are gonna lose. Before we start this Mikey martial arts kicking workout, it's very important that we stretch and warm up. This will get the muscles of our lower body ready for action and decrease the chance of injury. And once you feel like you're properly warm, we can start the workout. The first exercise that we'll be performing is the back kick. Start this exercise with your feet staggered, one slightly in front of the other. Bring your knee up approximately to hip height. On that same side, look over your shoulder and behind you at your opponent. Fully extend your leg backwards, striking with your heel. Return your leg to the starting position and repeat. Perform 10 consecutive repetitions on each side. If you have issues with balance, you can try performing the exercise with a chair, or you can do a modification on the ground. I know there's nothing we can do, but my heart can't accept it. The next exercise that we'll be performing is the side kick. With this exercise, start with your feet about shoulder width apart. Bring your back foot up to your front foot. Lean in the opposite direction as you bring your front knee up to your hip. From the bent knee position, fully extend your leg, striking with your heel. Repeat for 10 times before switching to the other leg. Once again, if you need to, you can use a chair for balance, or you can do this modification on the ground. The next exercise that we'll be performing is the snap kick. The snap kick is all about speed. To perform this exercise, start by bringing your striking leg up to hip height. Now you're literally going to flick or snap your leg. Be careful to continue to have your foot flexed, as you want to strike with the top of your foot and not with your toes. Perform this exercise for 10 repetitions before switching to the other side. If you're a little more advanced, you can do the alternating walking variation. Or if you're more of a beginner and you need a modification, you can try this exercise on the ground. If all you can do is destroy what's precious to me, then I'll kill you. The last exercise that we'll be performing is the thrust kick. Unlike the other kicks, this kick isn't meant to cause damage. It's meant to create distance between you and your opponent. Once again, starting with your feet approximately shoulder width apart, you want to think of this as more of a push than a kick. Generating power from your glutes, lean your hips forward as you fully extend your front leg, knocking your opponent off balance. Repeat for 10 reps on each side before switching to the opposite leg. And if you need a modification, try this squat variation. If you made it to this point, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And if you like my content, you already know what to do. Make sure you nuclear kick that like button, back kick that subscribe button, and leave your favorite Mikey moment in the comment section down below. Now before we get out of here, let me give a huge shout out to my guy Seaton James. Damn, he really about to rock my I'm not saying that because I want to continue to stay monetized on YouTube, but it really did make me laugh. So with all that out of the way, as I always say, happy training and stay awesome. I'll catch you guys in the next video.